everyone, Bethany here with Atlantic Flag and Pole. Memorial Day weekend is upon us. We've been preparing. I hope you got my video about flag etiquette for this upcoming holiday and flying the flag at half staff all across America. Patriots will be lowering the flag to half staff from sunrise to noon. And that's obviously to honor the fallen soldiers that we are remembering on Memorial Day. And then you will briskly raise your American flag back up to the top of your pole from noon until sunset. So that's the proper etiquette for that. So I do encourage you to go ahead and plan to do that. Another thing that we know that Patriots love to do is display their patriotism in so many different ways to honor our fallen heroes. There are tangible physical things that we can do. Flying the flag at half staff, making sure there's a light up on top of Old Glory, maybe having a mini ceremony at your house when you're having your barbecue. Lots of really neat things that we can do. And we're of course giving you a great sale this weekend. So you can actually take $200 off of our Phoenix Flagpole Premier Kits. That's any size or color. That is the biggest discount we have offered yet for the year. And so you're gonna wanna take advantage. It is only through Memorial Day. It is a very specific time period that we are dropping the price of our best-selling Phoenix Flagpole Premier Kits. We're also giving 15% off store-wide. So this is also the biggest discount that we have given for your entire cart up until this point for the year. So 15% off all like accessories and mounts. It is not on top of the $200 off the flagpole. But it is something that you can use together. So if you've got a flagpole in your cart and you want to buy a flash collar and a solar light, the flagpole will get the $200 off and the solar light and the flash collar will have 15% off. So there's a lot of ways to combine savings. It's very exciting. We're really looking forward to it. We're also giving an additional $5 off the Support Our Troops flag. So that is when you can combine the discount. You can take 15% off and you can take $5 off. So it's a big chunk off of our best-selling Support Our Troops flag. This is a beautiful flag to fly on holidays like this. So go ahead and take advantage of the savings. Thank you so much for supporting our small family business. We are really, really excited. Memorial Day is one of our favorite holidays. And of course, we love the barbecues. And yes, we love the local parades and all of those things. But it is a time when we solemnly remember the great sacrifice that was made. And yes, we celebrate, but that celebration is because we have the freedom to do so. So go ahead and join us in celebrating this holiday weekend.